module, we are going to source for background videos and also show you how to upload it. We are going to use YouTube as a tutorial for this. So we need a background video which is not copyrighted. That is what we need. So we can search for a mowing no copyright video. If we can find that one, that would be great. But most people use so this is mowing. You can join everything together, but Creative Commons. I don't like this. So we can actually use this one, but we need some kind of editing to cut some part of it. We need some editing to cut some part of it. So let's go for the Minecraft's Palo gameplay. So let's go for the Minecraft. So this one is too long, and let's find a short one. This one is 9 minutes, this one is 7 minutes, this one is 16 minutes. This one is 10, this one is 4. So this one is 4. I think we can go with this one, which is okay. So we're going to click on Creative Commons, copy the link, and the next thing we have to do is to go to YouTube, YouTube downloader, YouTube video downloader. YouTube. So we are going to select any one of these, or maybe these. Just select any one and make sure you download the YouTube video. That is what we are going to use for the background video. You can also go to TikTok to search for a background video, any background video using TikTok. Okay, just download it. Click on paste link. Just going to use this one as an example. I'm going to click on paste the link, click on download. So we are going to save this as 720p. So as you can see, click on download button. Let's try again. Download. So download it. After the download has been finished, we have to go to the menu or to this grid to upload the video after the download has complete. Okay. So as you can see, it's done. Click on here, drop your file, go to downloads, locate your Minecraft, click on upload. If you have any video you want to use as background, you can use it as a background videos and upload it. And the second we can also do this thing is to use, you want to be using just only one link, just only one. Let's click on upload. So let us wait for it till the upload finish and we are done. So if you encounter this, as you can see, cannot connect to the private server. If you're using Windows, go and download what we called the Handbrake, or is it Handbrake? It's called the Handbrake. So go and download what we call the Handbrake. After downloading it and install it on your PC, we are going to use to compress the video. We're going to use it to compress the video. Why is our handbrake now? So just go to open video file, locate the video, click on open, and it's going to scan everything, upload it there. Next thing is select mp4. As you can see, select mp4. You want to select this, okay, and make it very fast 1080p, or you can even select this one. This one is okay, but I think let's go for this one and click on the, can decide to rename it a bit to creative, and then we are done. The next thing is click on start encoding. So this one is going to reduce our size, the size, because we have like 90 megabytes and it can be updated. So this one is going to uh reduce the size and also maintain the quality. So if you are unable to upload any of these, we are going to go straight to the mini IO. So create a bucket and upload it. Don't forget we already created a bucket before, but right now we're going to create a new bucket. I'm going to show you how to create the bucket and how to have access the bucket to the buckets. Since I've tried to reduce these files, and if you know any method you can use to reduce it, just use it and let it be like that. Or you can just cut the videos and leave the rest. So let us create a bucket. So I think I have a bucket here before that says Reddit. Okay, here is how you're going to create a bucket. Just create your bucket. After creating your bucket, the next thing is going to that bucket, um clicking on this access policy and change it to the public. And after you have changed it to public, we are to go to the Reddit. Here's the Reddit folder. We are going to click on upload and click on upload folder. So what we actually need is the direct, what we actually need is the direct URL of this. So the next thing, you can also source for videos on TikTok, but this would be a bit trickier because you kind of need of online editor to speed the video you download um from this. So let me just find another long VG video, long background video. No copyrights. So if you can find a long footage, it will actually helps you. We have this one, something like this, but I don't actually create something like this. Okay, I don't actually feel something like this. The Just make sure they are doing something. Just make sure they are doing something. Okay, so let's go back. Let's close this. We are going to find maybe later. We are going to find something which I called let me see, cleaning. Let's find some cleaning, some kind of a cleaning videos where someone is cleaning or remove the, just join everything together like this one. Okay, something like this. Okay, something like this. This man, this man will not this man will not add something like copyright for you. All you just need to do is to download video set of these videos, join it together and speed it up. Okay, and speed it up. I'm not talking about content like this. I'm talking about octo content like this. Okay, some content like this, download it, join it together to get your story. And you can also use this one. Okay, something like this, a videos, fast forward it, make sure it's fast forward before you can use it. This is an automation, guys, so you don't want to miss out on it. So we are done with it. and now we have the URL. If you want to have the URL of this video, you have to click on this and you have to remove the browser, change the 1 to 0, okay, based on your IP address, and this is your URL for your parlor games or anything like that. So the next section, we are going to show you how you can join both these videos and the content together, because before we now go to captions. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.